by class 17.
So first, let's talk about electricity. Electricity is the flow of moving electrons from the starting point to the ending point.
When the path of the circuit is not interrupted or disconnected in its way, electric current can move easily through it. So it is called a closed or complete circuit.
But if the path is interrupted in its way, the electricity cannot pass through it. And this type of circuit is known as open circuit. Thank you.
Chemical traffic lights. As we all know the different colors of the traffic lights, it's red, green and yellow. So today we are going to show you three different colors chemically. As you can see here, it is yellow in color. If we shake it gently, it will turn red. And if we shake it vigorously, it will turn into green.
Oh yes.
This is because the solution contains the compound which is known as indigo carmine. The indigo carmine, when the indigo carmine is getting oxidized, it is turning into green, and when it is getting reduced, it is turning into red and then yellow. So if we keep the solution still, after some time it will again turn into red and then yellow, and again if we shake it, it will turn into red and then again green. The process continues until and unless the indicator, which is the indigo carmine, is over in the solution. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's see the color change. It is getting changed into yellow now, no? Give a little shake again. Red. Again, green. Nice.
Which is designed to alert you when there is an earthquake happening. So here, let me first show you how does the model works. We have made a full circuit out here and connected the battery, switch, buzzer, wires, and finally it is connected to a nut. When the earth surface starts its movement, the wire touches the loop-like structure. The wire touches the loop-like structure and the alarm starts ringing. And the people living in those areas gets alert about the earthquake happening. There is a single cell in our body which is cell neuron. It is the longest cell in our body. It is the longest cell in our body which does not multiply. And it has to transport the message in our body, and this is the dendrons which transport the message. From this dendrons it goes to the cell body, and from this cell body it goes to our axon. From this axon terminals it receives the message from this dendrons and continues the message.
And here we are here to show you some magic today. So do you think I can cut her hand with this knife?
Our hands. Okay. No, it's a plastic knife, no?
Plastic knife, yeah. Let's try it.
Okay,
I'll
let's
try
try.
cutting her hand with a fake plastic knife. So,
Oh wow! Give her some bandage.
it just cut.
Don't worry.
Does it hurt?
No, it's
Actually,
just fake.
Oh, it's fake. Okay.
Do you want to know the science behind it?
Yes.
So first of all, I have applied some potassium thiocyanate on my hand. Then this knife was actually dipped in ferric chloride. When both comes in contact, it gives us ferric thiocyanate, which gives us red color. It is also used in agricultural fields as pesticides, and it is also used to determine the iron content in plants.
How did you like our magic?
Yeah, loved it. Thank you. This.
This is the working model of an human eye. As you can see here, this is the internal structure of the eye. This white, the outermost layer is known as sclera, the middle layer is known as choroid, and the innermost layer is known as retina. Retina sends message from this optative nerve to the back of the brain, which forms the image, and you can see. So this is the working. So today I'm going to explain you this deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. In 1953, Watson and Crick has proposed a model for the structure of DNA. The DNA molecule contains two states like a double helix.
Class 8A would like to demonstrate the digestive system of human body. Digestive system helps in digestion pancreas and enters the stomach. Stomach secretes gastric juice that helps in digestion. Stomach continues digestion with the small intestine. Nutrition and vitamins are absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. Further, it continues with the large intestine, and the undigested particles are thrown out of the body from the anus. For liver and pancreas, liver secretes fat and pancreas secretes pancreatic juice that also helps in digestion.
And this is copper, which is reddish in color. And for example, you can also take city gold. In city gold, another metal is used, but gold is plated. And now my friend Shodin will explain.
So for this experiment, we have taken the beaker and the electrolyte, which is copper sulfate, and we have connected it with the wire. Anode is the part which is used for plating, and cathode is the part which is plated with copper. So after a few minutes of heating it in the water, you can see that it is a reddish color, which is the coating of copper. Of human body. The organs that are involved in respiration are nostrils, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli, and two lungs. The lungs expand, and when we breathe out, the lungs contract.
Contraction and relaxation of hand. This is called biceps. This is the finger joints. This is the structure of skeletal muscles.
Our excretory model. From renal artery, blood enters to the kidney, which is made up of millions of nephrons. Nephrons is a structural and functional unit of kidney. In each nephron, nutrition takes place. Due to which nitrogenous waste are thrown out as urine. Formed urine is passed out from renal pelvis to urinary bladder, and it is stored there until it is released by urethra. And this is how the excretory system works.
This is a working model of human heart in continuance of class 9C. Heart is the central pumping station of the circulatory system. Double circulation.
Double circulation. Double circulation has two types: systematic circulation and primary circulation.
As you all can see, we've got heavy coconuts here and small potatoes. So, do you all think we can lift this coconut up with the small potato?
Hi, let's see. It's not going up.
Yes, you can do it. You just have to follow a simple trick. You just have to spin this potato in a circular motion like that. And coconut
Oh,
will
okay.
And that's because of centrifugal force.
Centrifugal force, okay.
This is Chandrayaan which we use, and this is a model which will help us know how rockets are rockets. So first of all, we have a 50 milliliter syringe which will help us know more about the Pascal's law. So what does Pascal's law state? Pascal's law. Liquids that transforms liquids in levels, force, amplification. So as a statement, this will act as a hydraulic lift over here. So when we push the plunger like this, a pressure gets generated, creating a force helping it move upward. From this we can state that this type of mechanisms are used for ISRO and NASA and many space companies to move their
The main concept of this rainwater alarm is to alert everyone that it is raining. So, as you can see, the circuit is currently broken right now. And to complete a circuit, we put some salt water.
Okay, so that's rain.
Salt water. If we put fresh water, it is a bad conductor of electricity, so we are putting some salt water. And we switch on the light.
laser security system. When a laser falls on an LDR, the buzzer doesn't beep. But if someone tries to break the connection, buzzers start beeping. So this is used in the museum, bank, so that any problem doesn't problem in the
Conductor and this is insulators. Insulators are those which can conduct electricity and conductors are those which can conduct electricity. We can see here that steel can conduct electricity very nicely, so the bulb goes on. Okay. And here the glass cannot.
conductor is an insulator.
Also the graphite of the pencil tip can also conduct electricity. And though we are
I am here to explain you about electromagnet and show you one experiment. So, let me explain you first what is electromagnet. Electromagnet are device that passes magnetic field when electric current flows through them. I have an iron nail wrapped with copper wire. I am going to transform this into a temporary magnet. So, here I have two batteries connected on the switch to the wire. Now, right now it is not attracting the magnet. But when I switch on the battery, it attracts the magnet. Again, when I switch off it, it does not attract the magnet. The pin. This is called an electromagnet.
This is the atomic structure of lithium and electron and neutron. Proton carries positive charge, electron carries negative charge, and neutron does not carry any charge. And in the first orbit, we can only fit 2 electrons, but in the second orbit, we can fit up to 8 electrons, and it is also called outer shell. The outer shell is also known as valence shell. Today, we are going to present the arrangements of the different states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. As you can see,